Hey beautiful people, bro God aka our Prime Minister has let us out on a Sundays now. So our curfew has totally changed. We used to have no movement day on Sundays. So now our curfew is just 8 p.m. every day. Super excited about that. Today is a beach day. Today's a Saturday, it's a beach day. I'm really excited because I've actually been a homebody for the past 3 months. If you guys check out my previous videos, and I hope you guys watch them, I haven't been to river or beach in almost 3 months, and that's pretty weird for me. I've just been feeling to just stay home. I haven't felt the urge to go anywhere per se, but I told myself, like, I just need to shake it off, get back my energy, and yeah, so it's time for the adventure. So you guys should be seeing a lot of that. So I'll be heading to SUGARPOT today in St. Mary. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, subscribe guys, and I'll see you there. So again guys, the spot that we're heading to today, it's called SUGARPOT Rowing, and it's in St. Mary. I personally would just call it OCHO RIOS because it's about 10 to 15 minutes from the OCHO RIOS town. So let's start direction guys. We did use the GPS, however it took us to a dead end, so we had to search for their Instagram page, call them up, and they gave us directions. So to give you guys just a little directions, you can put in the GPS, that's fine, in order for you to get an idea. However, coming up and it's called the Oasis gas station, you will make a left right at the gas station and then a right down the Marl Road, and yeah, you just head straight down and to the dead end, and that's where you find the beach. I think guys, I have found a new spot. This place is such a vibe. It's chill, it's peaceful, they have a bar and restaurant. So yeah, so stay tuned guys. So hey beautiful people, we have reached SUGARPOT Beach, and it's so small and private. Well, it's not really that small, but the beach is lovely, it's intimate, it's clean, not a lot of people here. So this is definitely going to be a good vibe for today. We have rum, music, yeah, and all of those good stuff. So now.
Who's old?
We're going to be 32 next year.
Oh, we're not 2020. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Me? In our 20s.